Platonic co-parenting is where people that are not in a romantic relationship might decide to have a baby together and raise that child together. Before entering into a platonic co-parenting arrangement, it's really important that you do your research, that you have your conversations up front, so that you are both entering into it with your eyes wide open and you both know exactly what to expect from the arrangement. A platonic co-parenting agreement is a bespoke agreement drafted to suit your individual circumstances and to ensure that you've had those big discussions right at the beginning and that your intentions are recorded for you both. The legal parents in a platonic co-parenting arrangement would really depend on the circumstances. So the birth mother is always going to be the legal mother, but who will be the legal second parent will really depend on who the biological parent was, whether the arrangement was used with the assistance of IVF and certain forms in the clinic were signed. So it is quite a complicated area and one in which advice is required. A platonic co-parenting arrangement can often be used for two single people who perhaps have reached an age in their life where they haven't met their life partner but they're ready to have children. They might be really good friends and decide to enter into this type of agreement. It may also be for three-parent families where perhaps you have a often single lady and they may have homosexual friends and they decide to enter into this agreement to raise a child together. If you have a platonic co-parenting arrangement and there is a falling out further down the line or a disagreement, then you would need to make an application to court for a child arrangements order for the courts to be able to determine what should happen in those circumstances. This is why it's really important that you get advice up front and ideally have a co-parenting agreement drafted. Whilst those agreements aren't legally binding, they do allow the court in any future dispute to see what the intentions were behind the family makeup right at the beginning. A family lawyer can help by drafting a co-parenting agreement and giving advice at the outset. We can also help in the unfortunate event that the agreement breaks down or there are disputes further down the line with making applications for child arrangements orders.